To fix the yellow screen on an Android device, it's essential to understand the possible causes. A yellow screen can occur if the device's color profile is set to warm, or if the eye comfort shield is activated, which can also be referred to as night mode, blue light filter, or eye comfort mode on some devices. Additionally, a bug in the system can also cause this issue. To resolve these problems, start by changing the device's color profile. Open the Settings menu, go to Display and Brightness, tap Color Temperature, and reset it to Natural. Next, deactivate the eye comfort shield by opening the Settings menu, going to Display, locating the eye comfort shield setting, and toggling it off. If the issue persists, try downloading the latest software version, as outdated software can cause bugs that affect the display. To do this, open the Settings menu, tap System, go to Software Update, and download the latest Android version. By following these steps, the yellow screen on an Android device can be fixed, and the display should return to normal.